We're up a collective $1,260 today, guys. You don't know if it's gonna go in favor, but you always know how much you can lose and how much you're willing to lose. But we're gonna go live every single day, and guys, it's not stopping us. So this is the third week of going live every single day, and we was live for over an hour and 30 minutes, guys. Rim is off. Yo. Now we're back to normal. Good morning and welcome back, my future fellow millionaires and my day traders. Now guys, it is currently 6:21 a.m. as you guys can see, and we're currently working on a trade idea plan for today, or at least just identify some levels. So with all that being said, that's what we're watching, that's what we're doing today, and it's a whole new day. It's Thursday. The week's almost over. The second week is almost over, guys. We gotta think about that. The second week is almost over, and it's March. We're 3 months in. Second week is almost over. We're approaching our fourth month, meaning our first quarter of the year. Guys, think about that. Think about what you have done. Think about things you need to be doing. All the things that are slacking on, guys. We're almost 4 months in, almost. Just finishing up our second week, third month in, guys. We're tracking every single day. Look at this. We're up a collective $1,260 today, guys. Super solid ass trades. And we still have, of course, New York City session to trade here shortly. That's exactly what we're gonna be trading here. We're gonna be going live every single day like we always do. Go live on YouTube, Twitter, and I need to add one more. I just haven't yet. Let me know. Let's go live. Let's see how the gang is doing. In our first trade live, and we're taking this 1 hour bounce support level here, which is a little bit of a risk, but we're gonna slap it since we're already up in profits. So we're gonna risk $100 to still at least be up $1,040. Let's call it. Let's see how this trade goes. Guys, wild ass shit. I literally was $4 away from getting stopped out. I'm not even kidding. $4 away from getting stopped out, guys. Now, one thing is, that's why it's so important to stick to stop losses and just notice how I actually don't even have a price target set. It's actually just set for stop. I don't have a price target up here. When I say I don't have a price target up here, I just mean I don't have an order set to sell out. I always at least have a stop loss set. That's my main thing. Reason why is because you don't know if it's gonna go in favor, but you always know how much you can lose and how much you're willing to lose. So I'm willing to lose $100. Worst case scenario, I still make $1,040 today. Boo-hoo, boo-hoo. So I'm risking $100 of my gains. I'm already up 1,141, so 1,040 is not bad. And I won't risk any more from there. And here we are just waiting for this trade to either play out or stop us out, guys. So let's see what it does. And we're live as well still. Again, nobody's really in here. It's what it is, per usual. But we're gonna go live every single day, and guys, it's not stopping us. So this is the third week of going live every single day, and we're just live trading every single day. We do not mind, and we're gonna keep doing it every single day. So catch you guys, and we're gonna continue on this live session and vlog. All right, guys, so we're in our second trade on the live, and shout out to Wolf, man. He did end up joining, and whoever else is in here as well. I highly doubt anybody else is in here. But anyways, guys, in our second trade, first trade was a loss on the live. What I mean by that is we took one trade live on the market live and it ended up stopping out negative $100. Now we were already up 1,001 something, or 1,140. So this put us up just $1,040, and now we're taking our second trade of the day. So this is our second trade of the day here, and I'm risking only $38, which will put me down $1,000, or just up $1,000. That's worst case scenario. Worst case scenario, I just make $1,000 today. Boo-hoo, boo-hoo, right? It's not even that bad. So worst case, make $1,000 today, or best case scenario, this thing goes in favor and breaks the most previous lows, and we end up making more than 1,000, 150, 1,250, something like that. So we're gonna see what this thing can do. The big 3 digits, but we're still trying our absolute best, and we're gonna, guess what? Either let this one stop us out. Again, worst case scenario, we'll make $1,000. Best case scenario, the thing goes super in profit, super in favor, and we make like 1,003, 1,004, 1,005. That's what we're shooting for. And we have a live chat to hop on here at 8:15, so almost that time. All right, guys, so we just took our second trade loss here, as you guys can see. Now, honestly, it wasn't necessarily that much of a loss, really. I mean, I'm up $1,000 still on the day, but the 2 trades on live being a loss. Now, we did try to take a long here. It did only go up about like $40 in profits, and it went all the way down to stop loss. So that was the first trade. And the reason why I even took that first trade is because on the 1 hour time frame, it was creating a higher low situation. At one point, this candle was wicking. It was way up here. So it looked very great, but then it broke structure down to the downside, and here we are at the moment, just I would say still breaking down. There's still opportunity. I'm not gonna take it myself. We're gonna end up closing the stream here, 2 trades on a day, and just $1,000 pretty much. And let's end it here. All right, guys. So we just finished the live trading session, and we was live for over an hour and 30 minutes, guys. We took 2 trades, and we already did show you guys, of course, but 2 losses on the live session back to back, as you guys can see here. We tried to take a long here, got stopped out here. Tried to take a short here, and we was up actually in very great profits here, but got stopped out here ultimately, and it is breaking on down. Is what it is though, guys. We do not mind. We're just gonna continue on with what we got going on. We got a live session as well coming up here in just a few minutes to go live over sales, go live and talk about numbers, talk about how we can ramp up sales. Again, we did trade our live funded as well. Collectively, we're up over $1,000, but even on our live, there's one of our live accounts right here, guys, up 119 on it, and we're gonna continue on. Let's bring you on our day, guys. And again, we have a, oh man, it's gonna be a day.
Read that if he opened it up, but
Okay, I'm looking at your schedule right now. All right, guys, so our tire is still flat. We didn't take care of it, of course, yesterday due to the time, but we're gonna order a tire today, or even order a rim. I think it's my rim that's causing my tire to be low. So I bought plenty of tires already at the same exact, I bought the same exact tires, or I bought tires for this exact side plenty of times, and it seems to always be the one that goes low. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and, yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys. Rim is off. Guys, I gotta be major careful. I literally just fucking dropped my expensive ass camera, and I've already broke this shit once. I broke this shit once, and luckily I had a warranty to get it literally repaired, and what they did was just give me a brand new one. So we got a spare tire on, but we got to do a couple things first, which is unfortunate. So before we even get our tire repaired, which as soon as I head to the shop, I'm going to go buy a tire immediately. But before I can even buy a new tire, I have to go deliver a car over there, come back, drop the car from there to here, and then literally pick up my car finally. But by the time all that happens, the tire should be there. So anyways, guys, very unfortunate situation. Is what it is. But luckily, we just made enough money today to afford all of this stuff that's just going on. I'm in a tire anyways. We have tire deals. We get tire plugs. Bro, it's gonna be like 80 bucks. But I might get a good tire this time. Anyways, guys, let's continue on. All right, guys, so we are in a Cadillac. We're gonna drive it here, take it to, again, the other shop. We already got the fluids here, and we're gonna go and do a couple things today, which is nice. That's probably... So we got to deliver this car to the other shop. They're gonna do the service there. Then we have to go pick up another car, drop it back off over here since it's finished. And then pick up my car, drive it over there, and get it repaired and stay there for the day. Long little morning, but it's totally worth it. So guys, our car is currently on a freaking donut at the moment. We're gonna go get a new tire today. Probably should have got the same exact ones, but I actually ordered a little bit of a better brand. Yo, now we're back to normal. Let's get this shit cracking, man. All right, guys, so we're heading on back home, and it was a great ass day. We did end up staying just a little bit later than usual, but it is 4:55 p.m. Now, guys, again, we are a business owner of a shop, but we probably will stop showing this kind of content. It's not actually that fun. We're gonna drop more sauce on trading, and overall, I just want to make the channel more about trading and more fun in general about trading. So I'm gonna figure it out. So have a great day, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we're gonna head on home. We're actually gonna trade on our account, guys. Let's see how much money we can make, and update you guys in the morning. So we're gonna trade Asia session right now, and then we'll update you guys in the morning, since we're gonna edit up this vlog and post this for today. And in the morning, we'll update you guys with what had happened. Whether we made money, lost money, traded, whatever. You know the case, you know how the deal goes. Anyways, guys, catch you on tomorrow's video.